The platinum rectangle shower cabin is perfect for the modern bathroom or ensuite. The Insignia leak-free tray keeps the water in your shower and off your bathroom floor, even without the assistance of sealant. How does it do this? Well, it allows for leaks and it drains the water away with the unique tray design. The innovative design consists of a 60mm raised lip housing all of the lower framework. This sits on strategically positioned raised sections, leaving open channels for any escaping water to be redirected back into the tray and down the drain. How has this not been done before? The stainless steel overhead Monsoon rain shower emits a deluge of water instantly, offering complete water immersion in seconds. The slimline brass hand shower, finished in chrome, is situated in an easy to use riser rail system for that perfect height setting. Whether you're short or tall, you've been catered for. Last, but certainly not least, you have the beautiful chrome finished body jets, conveniently positioned in the column to sit in front of and unwind after a long, hard day. Sit back and relax at any time with the chrome bodied white grain effect ergonomically designed stool, complemented perfectly by the matching floor for an all-round stunning aesthetic. We understand that bathroom decor and style is important too, so with that in mind, we've incorporated many customizable elements into the second generation shower range. You can choose different framework, opting for either black or chrome. Choose your preferred size too, available in 1050 by 850mm or 1150 by 850mm, allowing you to choose the perfect size for you and your bathroom. Coming with mirror back panels as standard, you can upgrade to our ever expanding range of colour options in either matte or carbon finish to complete your perfect shower design. With all these variations available, it really does make for a bespoke shower. Connect your smart device via Bluetooth to the control panel and enjoy your showering experience to the blissful sounds of your own music. We all enjoy a good sing in the shower, and with Insignia, the stage is yours. Add to your sensory experience with the beautiful 7-colour spectrum internal lighting. Fix it on your favourite or allow them to gently scroll through for a wonderful atmospheric ambience. Having sleepless nights worrying about the install, finding someone to do it, or wondering if you'd be able to assemble the shower yourself? Well, with the innovative QuickClick framework, it's easier than ever before, and you can have the shower assembled in just 60 minutes, and because no sealant is required, you can literally build and shower within an hour. There are some fantastic safety features too, giving you peace of mind. There's the thermostatic cartridge, which keeps a consistent temperature of water, avoiding potential scalding when the water blasts too hot, or that horrible shock when the water suddenly goes ice cold. This has an automatic safety lock feature at 38 degrees, which has to be manually bypassed by pressing in the cylinder. Once you bring it back lower than 38 degrees, it relocks itself, requiring manual bypass again. There's Insignia's smooth running easy glide doors. Coupled with the magnetic door seals, these work in tandem to ensure as you close the doors once showering, they stay shut. This avoids any water escaping through the doors of the shower by leaving them open accidentally. Whenever you purchase anything, you want it to be covered against failing, and your shower is no different. This is why you receive a 12-month warranty as standard, which can be upgraded to 5 years completely free simply by registering within the first 90 days after delivery. And finally, we recommend that the bar pressure for optimum performance ranges from 2.5 to 3.4 bar pressure. With all the magnificent features and customisations available, the Insignia Platinum Rectangle Shower Cabin is a magnificent addition to your bathroom.